Hey guys, it's your boy HB3 in the building, and I'm sure everyone's been wondering, where the hell have you been, bro? Like, where have you been? So we're gonna go ahead and start the show. We're gonna get into it, tell y'all a few things, tell y'all how my life been going, and of course, we already know I'm a waver by heart. So when am I gonna be coming back to the wave game, basically? So stay tuned. Alright, so what up YouTube? I miss you guys. It's been a very long time, but I'm happy to be doing this video today. Like I said, it's just been a long time. I've been hella busy doing a lot of things in my life, personally, financially, just business stuff, you know, just trying to make sure that I'm on track in life, you know. So first things first, of course, as you know, I was doing the 720s. I was doing them for a while. They was coming along very well. I was liking them, but it got to a point where the upkeep was taking, you know, the management of them was taking up so much of my time when I should have been using that time more to be productive in other areas. So case in point, my life. Case in point, my occupation. You know, so I decided to just chill out with the waves and concentrate more on my personal development, financial development, things like that. And I wound up getting extremely better. And I'm at a point right now where everything is perfect. Life is good. I'm loving it, taking trips here and there. You know, at my job, getting promoted and also being recognized for doing great things. Gotta love it. But ultimately, in the back of my mind, because at heart I'm a waver, I still miss waving. And that's one of the things that I've always been great at, is just, you know, waving, you know, brushing my hair. As much as people like to say, oh, you care about your hair too much, that's too serious, or, you know, it's you doing too much. Basically what they like to say is you doing too much. Okay, fine, but guess what? It is a hobby of mine that I like to do. Either you accept that or you shut up and keep it moving. So basically, in my life right now, I just got a President's Award for my job, which is like the Oscars. Well, it's not necessarily the Oscars, but it's like a high, you know, thing in my occupation. So it's really good to do that. Me and my girlfriend, you know, right now we're working on each other, working on our relationship. So I took a little bit more focus also as well when I say personal development, but I took you know, more time to develop on our relationship and work on our relationship. So I've been doing that too. Ultimately, I didn't even cut the waves off. I just grew my hair back out and curled it up, as you can see. You know, eventually I'm going to cut this off. I'm probably going to be doing waves with the fade. Probably going to be doing that for a while because it's just one of those things. It's easy. I haven't really done it, and it's where I don't have to do too much. I don't have to do too much maintenance and too much brushing to get them right like I've done in the past with other patterns. But at the same time, still be able to do what I need to do on the other side of the table, you know, with my personal life and business and stuff like that. But more videos are coming. And you know, every time I say more videos are coming, sometimes I go on a hiatus. I just dipset. But I have been in the background. I have been paying attention and watching a lot of YouTubers, watching a lot of people on the wave pages doing their thing. Shout out to my boy J. Lou. You're doing your thing, bro. Definitely like that. I've been on Instagram watching a couple of people too. Wavy Leon, I think is his name. He's a really cool cat. Shout out to him. Shout out to Mr. Wave Man. He got some banging 360s right now. Shout out to 360 Jeezy, man. I want to send my deepest condolences to 360 Jeezy. It's one of my homeboys. He's really cool. He's a great waver. He had someone passed away that was extremely close to him. I don't want to say any names or anything or who it was. I'm sure some of you know because he made posts, but I don't want to just give straight details. But someone extremely close to him that meant a lot to him, and also his development in what he does when it comes to the wave game and YouTube and stuff like that. They passed away, and I want to send a shout out and condolences to that man 360 Jeezy. Keep your head up. Praying for you and the family. Shout out to just the whole wave game, man. I miss y'all. I don't know exactly when I'm going to be coming back, but do know that the clock is ticking. Like, the clock is really ticking, and I'm going to be headed back here pretty soon. Got a couple of surprises too as I come back, so just be ready for that one. Look forward to being back on the pages a little bit more. If not, then I may stay here and do all of my stuff here on YouTube. May go back into Instagram a little bit more. That's just giving y'all a little heads up, giving y'all an update on what's going on. Like I said, it's been a while. I don't plan on being any different. I don't plan on changing anything. I'm just going to be the same old Horace, the same old HB3s. Y'all know, 3 snaps. It is what it is. Man, I'm going to try to involve more people in my YouTube. Like I said, I was going to do before I left. Try to involve more people, maybe do some more shout outs, do more interviews with other waivers, and get their outlook and their take on things. But that's pretty much it, man. I really, like I said, I miss y'all, and I look forward to coming back. So be on the lookout for me, man. It's just gonna be out of nowhere. You ain't gonna see none of this on my head. All right, so stay tuned for the next video. It's your boy HB3, and I'm out of here.